Hey everybody, today I'm here with a Python project I did from my recent CyberStart challenge. So they had this challenge in there, and the challenge is over now, so I'm allowed to talk about this, I think. Where basically they gave us a document called 50K users. That's 50,000 users. And basically they said, there's one in here we want, and they gave us some criteria, but not a whole lot. And they said, there's one in here that we want, and that's your flag. And you have got to figure out how to get that one. So I thought, obviously, one of the easiest ways to do this is just write a program to sort through all 50,000 users and find the correct one based on the criteria. So I'll go ahead and open up that program now and show you how it works. So this is the whole thing. As you can see, it's pretty stinking basic. Really, all it does is it gets that file that we had and then creates an array with all of or in this case, it's called a list. Sorry, I'm in JavaScript mode right now. But so it adds all the different lines, so in other words, just all the different users to this list. And it says, okay, for each of those users, this was the criteria they gave us right here, this is the criteria. If the third character is a lowercase x, and since has a 0 index, 2 represents the third character. If the last character, which in this case is the 16th one, is capital S, if the fourth character is a number that's greater than or equal to 2 or less than or equal to 6, and if it contains a Z, we're going to print it. So we're going to run that program, and it's going to give us this, which was the final answer. Now we could actually remove a line, so like say if the Z wasn't a thing, that will give us slightly more answers. So you can see this is all the answers that meet all the criteria, but don't have a Z. And only one of these has a Z. So if we go back here and include that line, it reduces that number to just 1. So out of all 50,000 users, we were able to find the one we needed using a simple 14-line program. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, check out the rest of the programs on my channel.